Just ignore the TV, you guys. I'm gonna be showing you how to. Hey, bro. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get your Xbox Live working on your game, on your console, any kind of console. Okay, that's all I get. Okay, go to Google. Oh, stop. It's just my little brother keep on hitting me. Kicking. Go down until you see Microsoft account. Oh, already. Wait a minute. I already have made one, so I'm just gonna delete this, this, and this. That's just the full house behind me is talking. Wait a minute. Let me try this one. Because I do not know what's going on. The account. Wait a minute, guys. This does work, so don't click off. This does work. Like, serious. I used it for mine. Let me click sign in. Create one. Please say this is the right one. What is this? Email address. Wait a minute. Oh my God. My phone is messing up right now, you guys. I don't really know what's going on, but it was working at first. I don't know. You guys just fill it out and do it, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. Like dead serious. So give this video a like.